What is up, boys and girls? I am back with another YouTube video. It's been a while since I've done a video like this, and I know it has. And I'm back at it. I've taken zero fucking trades this entire week, and I need to get a YouTube video out. I don't know if I'm going to take a video or take a trade tomorrow. I genuinely have no idea. Today is Thursday, February 20th. And yes, I'm just here so that I can give you guys some knowledge instead of just giving you guys absolutely nothing because I'm not posting any trade recaps. So, let's get into this shit instead of doing absolutely fucking nothing with our lives. Alright, so obviously, if you guys saw from the title and the thumbnail, I'm going to tell you guys simply how to use a break of structure in the market. And I'm going to start you guys off simple. I know I did a video about this in the past, but I'm going to do it again because I feel like I didn't go through it thoroughly enough for you guys. So I'm going to do a completely new video, and we're just going to be talking about breaks of structure in the market and how to use them, confluences, everything, because it's probably one of the simplest things that you guys can understand and know, and yet some people mess it up. So a break of structure, all it is a high getting formed, and then all it's doing is closing above that high. So this red line right here, is that high that was made. So we'll show real life examples. And right here is a bearish one of a break of structure. All it is showing where price is wanting to go at a certain time. Does not matter the time frame. Can happen on every single time frame, no matter what. A break of structure is super fucking simple. I'm just gonna get straight into it. It all it's doing is showing if price is in an uptrend or a downtrend. If price breaks structure right here, it's in an uptrend. If price breaks structure right here, it's in a downtrend. So let's get into it. I'm going to do examples on NASDAQ. I'm going to go on the weekly time frame first. So a high is an up candle, then a down candle. A low is a down candle, then an up candle. That's all it is. Up candle, then down. And then for a low, a down candle, then up. Write this down. Don't be a fucking dumbass. Write it down. Put it in your notes. You should be journaling everything. I'm doing this shit in my bed right now because fuck you guys. Anyways. Boom. What do we have right here? Up candle, down candle. We have a high that was made right here. I'm going to label it red. Guess what happens? High labeled right here. What does price do? It breaks structure. Price is continuing the uptrend on the weekly time frame. Okay, what do we have right here? A low. If price goes all the way down here and break structure, price is going to continue that downtrend going down. Simple. There's no overcomplicating this. Guess what happens? We have this. Well, JT, we had this. We have this low. We have this low as well. What? First off, we don't give a shit about this low. This is the newest low that was made. Meaning, if price breaks this one, it's going to create a downtrend. Just because it has a low right here doesn't mean that price has to respect this one. If it creates a new one, price is going to respect the newer low that was made. Pretty self-explanatory. So right here, when price, let's go like this. Price breaks structure on the weekly time frame right here, correct? What do we have right here? I'm going to consider this a high, even though this is a doji. What do we have right here? We have a high. What do we have right here? We have a high. What is price doing? We have a high right here. New high gets made right here. What do? Get rid of this high. We have a high right here. A new high gets made right here. Yes, it breaks structure right here, but a new high gets made. Break a structure, cool. What do we get? A new high. High gets broken structure, break a structure. What do we get? A new high. Break a structure, continues going to the uptrend. Bullish, 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 bullish. Now, let's find an example where it's bearish. We haven't had bearish market structure for a while on the weekly time frame. Cool. Right here. What do we have right here? We have a low. We have a low that gets made right here, breaks structure, creates a new low. What do we get? Price goes down to this low, doesn't break structure till the downtrend. What do we get? We get a new low. What do? We move this low to right here. Cool. Price goes up, price goes down. What do we get right here? A new low right here. Bam. We're moving price down lower and lower until it breaks structure to confirm we're in a downtrend. What does price do? Price breaks structure to the downtrend. What are we doing? We're in a downtrend. Simple. There's nothing else to it. Break a structure gets made. All good. Let's do this on the lower time frames. We're going to go to the 1 hour. And then we're going to show you guys how you can take trades with this, everything. What happens right here? We have a high right here. High gets made. First off, let's take a break. Okay, break's over. Anyways, it's late as fuck. I'm trying to go to bed. We're going to make this video quick as fuck to get this guys out to you. The fuck did I even say? To get this out to you, you fucking ungrateful pieces of shit. You guys are all fat. Favorite people. You are my favorite people ever. I care about you a lot. Anyways, let's continue with this video. We have an hourly high right here. What happens? Price goes, hits this hourly high, doesn't break structure. It creates a new hourly high right here. What happens? Price hits this high right here. What does price do? It doesn't break structure. It sweeps it, liquidity, boom, simple. What does price do? Right here. Creates a new high. Boom. Up candle, down candle, new high. Price doesn't create a new up candle or down candle right here. We get a break of structure right here to the uptrend. We get a new high that's made right here, continuing that uptrend. Up candle, down candle, high. continuing that uptrend, up candle, down candle, high, continuing that uptrend, fucking repetitive, repetitive, repetitive. Now, what is that telling you? Here's the thing that everyone should grasp. If the 1 minute break structure, the 5 minutes going to break structure. If the 5 minutes going to break structure, the 15 minutes going to break structure. If the 15 minutes going to break structure, the hourly is going to break structure. If the hourly is going to break structure, the 4 hours going to break structure. Adding up the time frames. Simple. What do we go into next? Downtrend. What do we get right here? Down candle, up candle. We get a low right here. Cool. Break structure to the downtrend. What do we get? Another low. What does price do? It wicks into this low, creates another low. Price breaks structure to the downtrend. We get a low right here. Cool. What do we continue in getting? We get another down candle, up candle, low. We don't get another down candle, up candle right here, but it's still going to be a low. What do we get right here? Down candle, up candle, low. Down candle, up candle, low. We're just moving the lows for the break of structures. That's it. And every single time when the 1 minute break structure, the 5 minutes not going to break structure. But if you get a right strategy, your thought process should be, okay, if the 1 minute break structure, the 5 minutes going to break structure. And it's all going to line up, and it's all going to line up perfectly. That's what you should be thinking. Let's get into an example of it. I actually already have a good example. What happens right here? The 1 minute up candle, down candle. What do we get right here? Price breaks above it right here. What are we doing? What are we going to do? Place a trade. Boom. Place a trade. Where are we going to put stop loss? Let's just put it there for now. Where are we going to put take profit? I don't even know where we're going to put take profit. Let's just fucking put it right up here. Why? I have no idea. Let's just do it. Is it going to work? I don't care if it works or not. All I'm doing is an example. What happens? Right here, the 1 minute break structure, right? What's going to break structure next? The 5 minute. What do we get right here? We already have a high right here. But what happens? We get a new up candle, down candle that's made right here. A new high. What happens on the 5 minute? Break a structure right here from this candle closing above it. Cool. Let's go to the 15 minute. Because if the 5 minute breaks structure, the 15 minute is probably going to break structure as well. What do we get? We have this high right up here. What do we get? Well, you already see what we get. Up candle, down candle. This one gets replaced with this one. Guess what? It breaks structure. What's next? What's going to break structure next? The hourly. The hourly, the high is right up here. What does price do? Creates a new high right here. Gets rid of this high, creates a new high right here. Price breaks structure on the hourly. And guess how it started? With this simple 1 minute break of structure right here. Fucking ta-da. Now you're probably like, well, how the fuck do I enter? How do I get the right thing? Because guess what? You know, how do I get the right bias? Because there's probably, look at this. There's a 1 minute break of structure right here. Boom, to the downtrend. How do I know it's going to continue going up? You have to have a market bias, an actual strategy. This is just counting towards your strategy to add to it. That's all it's doing, nothing else. Let's find another example, but for a short instead of taking a buy position. Fucking great example. Right here. Okay. What happens right here? What does price do? Price on the 1 minute time frame, does it break structure? Nope. It doesn't close below this line right here, so it didn't break structure. We get to break a structure off of this candle. Once again, we're doing a trade. Entering a trade off of this. What are we expecting to break structure next? The 5 minute time frame. Let's just put it all the way down to these lows. Because why the fuck not? What are we expecting to break structure next? The 5 minute. What do we need from the 5 minute? A 5 minute break of structure. Where are we going to get that? Right here. What do we get? This big fucking dick of a candle. And guess what? We get a 5 minute break of structure right here. Gulp. Move my stop loss because we definitely had it higher. We get a 5 minute break of structure right here. Cool. What's next? 15 minute break of structure. Guess what? The 15 minute is breaking at the exact same time as where the 5 minute was breaking structure. Cool. What's next? An hourly break of structure. Hourly is going to break structure right here. Cool. What do we get next? A 4 hour break of structure. 4 hours is going to break structure right here. What happens? What happens? From this 1 minute break of structure, way up here, we get a 5 minute break of structure. And then what do we get? A 15 minute break of structure. An hourly break of structure. A 4 hour break of structure. Holy shit. I'm on to something. Fucking ta-da. It's that simple sometimes. If you guys if this video helped, I don't know. Fuck all, I guess. I don't know. I don't got shit. Honestly, I don't got a bunch of shit. Tired. I'm gonna go to bed so I can trade in the morning. This is all the video that I wanted to do. All I wanted to do. If you guys are still confused and you have questions, join my free Discord. DM me. Anything. I will respond to you guys. I'm not gonna fucking leave you guys on open. What the fuck? Just, you guys got this. It's just one stepping block in your strategy. I'm gonna post another video, if not 2 videos, for adding to your strategy next week. Hopefully you guys tap into those. And honestly, that's all I got for you guys. Peace out.